Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Raymore Reviews. You know it's Rush, the Discover boss. So we're just doing a quick drive around New Kingston. There's a few small constructions happening, a few small developments. Just want to show you guys a few glimpses as well, and a few updates. So stay tuned while I highlight that for you. If you're new to the channel, if your subscribe button is still red, just join the family, join the community by subscribing. It would be highly appreciated. Remember to comment, remember to like the videos, and remember to share. So we're starting the video right here. This is the New Kingston Drive-In Cinema. So it recently opened, due to COVID and social distance. So that's where we are on Dominica Drive. So stay tuned while we go on the drive. Alright, so this is the New Kingston Business Center. It's almost finished. They're undergoing an expansion and renovation. I need to do an update in the next couple of weeks just to see the progress of the work. Right now they're building a multi-level car park. That's a glimpse right there. So that's the roadway to get to the second floor. So they're trying to improve on parking. So that's the multi-level car park that's been constructed. Sorry. So this is the roadway to get up to, I guess, floor 2. So they're trying to expand the parking facility a lot because the plaza is now a lot bigger, now a lot modern. A few videos are on the channel with multiple updates of the expansion and the renovation. So you guys can always check out those. They seem to slow down on the multi-level parking, but in the next couple of weeks I'll do an update for you guys. So I'm heading back down to Dominica Drive. Just wanted to highlight the parking for the New Kingston Business Center that's been worked on. Currently they already have underground parking, good amount, so they're just trying to increase the capacity. Alright, so we're in New Kingston. That's the Sagicor Bank in front of us. I think this is their head office for their banking division. And then work has slowed down on this hotel renovation in front of us, right in the center of New Kingston. It was originally destroyed by fire years and years ago. So they're renovating right now. And this is the Total gas station New Kingston, and then the New Kingston police post across the road as well. So we are on Knutsford Blvd, the main thoroughfare in New Kingston. A lot of head offices, a lot of commercial offices, Starbucks, the Porsche dealership with ATL, banks, financials. Alright, so the next construction we're going to take a look on, they seem to be pouring concrete today. So they have blocked off the right side of the road so that they can do their concrete pouring. So far it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They seem to be going to 6 floors. I thought they would have stopped at 5. So I'm seeing steel work for another floor. So they seem to be going to 6 floors. So this will be one of the taller buildings in New Kingston. It was vacant for years, so it's good that they now, you know, started some renovation and expansion on it. Just gonna go out and show you guys a glimpse. Alright guys, so that's a quick glimpse of this new development right beside JMB, right beside Tasty, in front of JPS. They're going up 6 floors. Not sure if they'll stop there. Just showing you guys a quick update. Alright, so we're now heading around to Auburn Road. So we'll drive on Dumfries and head around to Auburn Road. There's some new development around that side. For example, they had an older type short stay motel that they totally, you know, bulldozered, and it's now an empty lot. And then they had another short-term rental facility that they modernized and redesigned. And then right beside them you also have an empty lot that they're now clearing out. So quite a few development on Auburn Road, which is basically behind Ruthven Road and basically behind Ruthven Towers. Alright, so this is Dumfries Road. It will bring us on to Auburn Road. Alright. So this lot on the right with the zinc fence is the lot they're currently clearing out. These trucks are collecting the dirt. Alright, so let me see if I can get you guys some glimpses. Alright guys, so this is where we are on Auburn Road. We have the R Hotel just over here. I have a very detailed video on the R Hotel as well. And again, Auburn Road. That's Trafalgar Road up there. And Pulse. And that's the R Hotel. And then the lot that they're clearing out is down here. Alright, so I have a very detailed video on the channel for our hotel. You guys can check that out. And then down this side is where the other developments are happening. So thanks for watching guys. Thanks for clicking. Remember to leave your comments. And if you know what are some of the developments or some of the different persons that will be occupying these space, definitely let me know. So as usual guys, leave your comments and any additional details you have about these construction, let me know. So stay tuned while I show you guys some glimpses of these developments. And again, leave your comments, like and share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, remember to subscribe.